So good day guys mga Kagsi. So our topic with this video is about introduction sa user interface ng AutoCAD. And paalala mga Kagsi, dito sa ating channel, I will teach about AutoCAD from beginner to advanced lecture. So let's not wait and let's start. So kapag inopen mo ang AutoCAD nyo, makikita mo itong screen na ito. So kapag inopen mo for the first time ang inyong AutoCAD, ganito makikita nyo sa AutoCAD software nyo. Meron tayo dito Start tab, and itong Start tab na to will have 3 columns. So meron tayong Get Started, Recent Documents, and Notification column. So sa Get Started column, meron tayo ditong Start Drawing panel. By clicking this, makakapag-create tayo ng new drawing. Or pwede din gamitin itong mga predefined templates to start your drawing. These templates are ready-made settings, and itong settings na ito ay related sa units, dimension, and other properties. Pwede din kayo gumawa ng sarili nyong templates. But in this case, magsisimula muna tayo sa default template. ACAD.DWT, itong highlighted one. So kapag click nyo itong Start Drawing, ito, AutoCAD will start your drawing gamit itong template na ito. Pero gagawin natin yan mamaya pa. You can also open existing files gamit itong open file option. You can open a sheet set. You can find more templates online or find sample drawing using this option. Now, kapag nag-open kayo ng new drawings, makikita mo ito sa mga list na ito. So this is the last drawing which I've opened. And ito yung date and time. And also kapag nilagay nyo dito yung cursor nyo, it's going to show the location of the drawing on the tooltip. Itong list na ito has all the document which I've recently opened. And kapag gusto mo i-change ang view nito, you can select this icon so you can change it to the thumbnail view or sa list view. So balik natin sa default view. Now meron din tayo ditong push pin. Gamit itong push pin na ito, you can fix this drawing permanently at the top. So para kapag mag-open ka ng new drawing, it will be added to this list from here. And this 3 drawing will always remain at the top dahil sa push pin na ito. Pero kapag gusto mo naman i-let go itong mga drawing, you can just select the push pin again. And making the new drawing start adding from this top drawing. Dito naman sa notification column, you will just be notified of the new updates and the notification related to your software. So now, let's start our blank template. So punta tayo dito sa template na ito. And as you can see, this ACAD.DWT is selected. So if you click here, the drawing will start with the settings. Or if gusto mo naman mag-start ng drawing without any template, then you can select no template imperial. If gusto mo gamitin ng imperial unit like feet or inches. Or you can use metric unit, so it's up to you. Kung ayaw mo gumamit ng template, select either of these or select ACAD.DWT to start your drawing from default template. Or just clicking in this big button right here, Start Drawing Panel, and your drawing will start salin man na pinili mo dito. So sa ating case, gagamitin natin ay ACAD.DWT. So I click here. And now, ang new drawing open up. Dito ay drawing number 1. Ngayon dito sa user interface, sa may top left, meron tayo ditong application button. Ito. Gamit itong application button, you can access some frequently used tools like opening a new drawing, opening an existing drawing. You can save the file, save as. You can import files of other formats. And you can export this file, you can print and publish, and you can select other option, including the units. And lahat ng ito are also available sa Quick Access Toolbar. Ito. So you can see the same set of tools dito sa Quick Access Toolbar. Some of these tools kagaya ng Open from Web and Mobile and Save to Web and Mobile, these two, are new to AutoCAD in version 2019. And hindi mo ito makikita sa older version ng AutoCAD. Ngayon, AutoCAD software use this tab in panel view. In this area with tabs and panel ay tinatawag na ribbon area. Dito sa ribbon area, meron tayong mga tabs kagaya ng Home tab, Insert tab, Annotate tab, and so on. In this tab, meron tayong panels. Kagaya nito, ito ay tinatawag na Draw panels, Modify panels, Annotation panels, and lahat ng ito ay nasa Home tab. And lahat ng tabs nito ay naka-arrange in a logical way. And just like ibang software, you will find similar set of tools on a particular panel. For example, all the tools na related sa pag-insert ng kung ano sa AutoCAD ay makikita dito. Para naman sa annotation tools, you need to go to this Annotate tab, and so on. And Home tab, this Home tab, contains a combination of all of these tools and lahat na frequently used tools sa AutoCAD. So, masasabi mo na sa Home tab, all the draw-related commands are here. The modify commands are here, Annotate are here, layers here, and so on. Still, if you want to use the menu, which was a classical feature sa older version ng AutoCAD, then you can do that pretty easily. To show the menu, punta ka lang dito sa down pointing arrow and select Show Menu Bar. And now you'll have this extra menu bar which you can use to access your command. Now once again, this is similar to this tab and panel. For an example, if gusto mo ma-access ang draw commands, you can go to draw menu and we have all the draw commands right here. The modify commands are right here. The parametric commands are here and so on. So you can also access your tools from here. So I'm going to this menu again and hide. I'll hide the menu bar because we don't need it. Now, these panels, makikita mo na para itong naka-fix. But they are floating type. And pwede mo itong galawin out of this ribbon area. Now, para magalaw natin itong panels, all you need to do is just grab this panel. So let's click on draw. Now, this will expand to show all the hidden tools and also the blank area. So just click on this top blank area, not this one, and drag it out. And now, this will work like a floating panel. And itong mga tab na to, it will just adjust to fit all the remaining panels. If gusto mo naman ibalik ito sa original location, all you need to do is just move your cursor close to this right side, the panel, and click nyo itong return panel to ribbon icon. And this will turn back sa left side of the home tab. Most of this panel ay mayroong extra tools are visible kapag tig-select nyo itong down arrow. So when you select that, you're going to see all these extra tools. If kapag inalis mo naman, the panel will collapse automatically. Pero kung gusto mo makita ito permanently, then you can expand the panel and click on this push pen to keep it permanently open. This one, this pin. In this case, I click the push pin again and this will collapse. Now, dito makikita mo na meron tayong drawing tab. And makikita mo sa unahan ay ang start tab, which we have seen already. And meron din tayong drawing 1. And kapag gusto mo mag-open a new drawing tabs, all you need to do is click on this plus icon. And then you will have a new drawing tab. And you can create as many tabs as you want. To close the tab, just click on this X icon to close it. This part of the software is called drawing area. And this is the area where everything in AutoCAD will be drawn. Now, itong area na ito ay may navigation control. Dito sa top left corner, right here, in the visual style control, we have the view cube on the top right corner, right here, the navigation bar in the middle right corner, and the UCS in the down left corner. Now, if ever na mawala itong mga tools na ito, you can just go to control the visibility of this tool from the view tab. So right here on the view tab, we have this option, UCS icon, which is right now selected. Clicking this, and the UCS in the down left corner will disappear. Okay? Here. And it will disappear. Then navigation bar, just click on it, it will also disappear. Here. You can also control the visibility of the file tab. So ito yung file tabs. Ito lang ito. So you can click on this file tab if you don't want to show them. You can also control the visibility of the layout tabs. Ito pala yung layout tabs. Let's click. So you can just click its visibility like this. So to bring it back, just click on this icon once again, and you will have them back in your drawing. Now, balik tayo sa home tab. And here, makikita mo dito sa may gitnang baba ang command line. So pag-usapan natin ito. So marami itong pangalan. Tinatawag itong command line, command bar, command palette, kung ano man ang gusto mong itawag dito. But to our channel, we will call it command line. Now, lahat ng command na in-enter mo sa AutoCAD will show up right here, and you can start any command in AutoCAD by just clicking on this icon on the ribbon. So, or by typing yung mga alias or yung command name sa command line. So, to type the command name, hindi mo kailangan na i-click yung cursor word dito para lang may type mo yung command name. Rather, you just need to simply start typing, and when you type anything, it will be added right here on the command line. So now I got L for line. It will show me the commands here. So now I'll press escape to get rid of this command. And then we have the status bar, which will help us making the precise drawing. So ang status bar is also an important tool, which we'll discuss later in this channel. And finally, let's talk about the command search feature. So as you can see, napakadami natin ng commands right here on the ribbon. These tabs, and also there are commands which are not available in the ribbon. So mahihirapan tayo na hanapin isa-isa itong mga tools na kailangan natin. But AutoCAD has made this process a lot easier, and you can actually find the location of any tools or command in this user interface. So para mahanap ang command na gusto mo hanapin, all you need to do is just go to this application button, and start typing the name of the command. Now in this case, I'll start typing line, and here it is. This two. So AutoCAD will find out all the tools or command with similar name or similar function, and it will also show you this result with the best possible outcome on the top. So we have the line command right here. This is what we need. And actually, we have two different ways of making line. Let's look at the first option. Here on the home tab, draw panel, and we have the line commands. And also for the other line command, we need to follow the similar set of path. SPDS, draw, and line command. So let's look at the first one, home tab. Home tab, draw panel, and the line command. Okay, I'm going to click here. So let's go to home tab here, draw panel, and the line command. So here it is. So it is as that. So just by using that search feature command, mahanap mo kahit anong command or tool in AutoCAD. So ito ang introduction of user interface. Hope you learn it all because we will use it frequently in our videos. God bless with you all.